We think they're in a beautiful position with the picks and shovels, but everyone knows it. Everyone knows it, and it is valued accordingly. So on this year's revenue, it is somewhere in, let's say, the 25 to 27 times sales range, depending on one's estimate. And we have other names in the portfolio on the software side. And remember, for every dollar of hardware, $8 to $21 of software are going to be pulled through, according to our estimates. Tesla is the biggest AI opportunity out there. It is the biggest artificial intelligence project in the world when it comes to autonomous taxi platforms. And it is selling for roughly, I think it's 7 times, maybe it's 6 times revenues now. Software plays would include Twilio, which is selling at 2 to 3 times, Zoom, which is selling at roughly 3 times sales. These are all sales. And these companies have either very high gross margins, like Zoom, 80%, or they have low gross margins now, like Tesla does, in the 20s. These are gross margins, but they will be rising because of this SaaS-like model that is evolving for Tesla. They will rise from the 20s into what we believe is the 50s and 60s. Not at all expected out there.
Nvidia, already a titan in the tech industry, has the potential to reach an astronomical valuation of $300 trillion within the next decade. While this figure may seem audacious, several key factors underpin this projection, primarily centered around Nvidia's dominance in the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. As the world experiences an AI revolution, Nvidia is strategically positioned to be its primary beneficiary. The company's graphics processing units have become the de facto standard for training and running complex AI models. As AI continues to permeate various industries, from healthcare to finance and entertainment, the demand for Nvidia's GPUs will only intensify. This escalating demand could propel Nvidia's revenue to unprecedented heights, significantly contributing to its market capitalization. Nvidia's GPUs are not just powerful, they are optimized for the parallel processing capabilities required by AI algorithms. This technological advantage has made Nvidia the go-to provider for AI infrastructure. As industries increasingly rely on AI for automation, data analysis, and decision-making, Nvidia's GPUs will remain integral, ensuring the company stays at the forefront of the AI boom. The future will likely see AI integrated into virtually every aspect of life, from self-driving cars to personalized medicine and intelligent virtual assistants. Nvidia's technology, already powering many of these applications, will be instrumental in their continued development and widespread adoption. This ubiquity will further solidify Nvidia's position as the leading AI enabler, bolstering its valuation. In sectors like autonomous vehicles, Nvidia's Drive platform provides the computational power necessary for real-time data processing and decision-making. In healthcare, Nvidia's Clara platform is revolutionizing medical imaging and genomics. These innovations not only showcase Nvidia's technological prowess, but also expand its market reach across diverse sectors. Nvidia is evolving beyond hardware into a provider of AI as a service, offering cloud-based AI platforms and tools that enable businesses and individuals to harness AI without extensive technical expertise. This strategic shift not only broadens Nvidia's revenue streams but also positions the company as a comprehensive AI solutions provider, further enhancing its valuation potential. Nvidia's AI offerings, such as the Nvidia AI Enterprise Suite, allow organizations to deploy AI solutions with ease. By lowering the barriers to AI adoption, Nvidia can tap into a broader customer base, from startups to large enterprises. This subscription-based, recurring revenue model provides a stable and growing income stream crucial for achieving such a lofty valuation. The economic impact of AI is projected to be immense. According to a PwC report, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. As a leading player in the AI ecosystem, Nvidia stands to capture a significant portion of this value. Its ability to monetize AI through hardware, software, and services could drive its market capitalization into the trillions. Nvidia's influence in AI extends beyond traditional industries. For example, in agriculture, AI-powered drones and analytics can optimize crop yields, while in finance, AI algorithms can improve trading strategies and risk management. Nvidia's hardware and AI solutions will be critical in realizing the full economic potential of these applications. Additionally, the metaverse, a virtual universe where people can interact, work, and play, is rapidly gaining traction. Nvidia's GPUs are essential for rendering the complex graphics and simulations required for the metaverse to function. As the metaverse evolves and becomes more mainstream, Nvidia's technology will be in high demand, potentially driving the company's valuation to new heights. Nvidia's Omniverse platform is a cornerstone of its metaverse strategy, enabling real-time collaboration and simulation for creators, designers, and engineers. As more companies and individuals build and inhabit the metaverse, the demand for robust, scalable computing power will soar, positioning Nvidia as a key player in this emerging digital frontier. However, the path to a $300 trillion valuation is not without challenges. Increased competition, regulatory hurdles, and potential technological disruptions could pose obstacles to Nvidia's growth. The company will need to maintain its innovation edge and adapt to the ever-evolving AI landscape. Competition from other tech giants like Google, AMD, and Intel could pressure Nvidia's market share, and regulatory scrutiny over AI and data privacy could impact its operations. Furthermore, advancements in quantum computing or alternative AI hardware could disrupt Nvidia's dominance. Still, Nvidia's potential to reach a $300 trillion valuation within a decade is a testament to the transformative power of AI. As the world embraces AI, Nvidia's technology will be at the forefront of this revolution, driving unprecedented growth and value creation. While challenges lie ahead, Nvidia's strategic positioning, expanding business model, and the immense economic potential of AI make it a compelling candidate for achieving this extraordinary valuation. In summary, Nvidia's journey to a $300 trillion valuation will be driven by its leading role in the AI revolution, the integration of AI into everyday life, its transition to AI, the vast economic impact of AI, and its pioneering efforts in the metaverse. With a strong foundation and a focus on future innovations, Nvidia is well positioned to achieve this remarkable milestone.
Nvidia shares are up about 4%. Jim, what's the latest you've been picking up from your many conversations, both on air and off air, with many of the people who've attended Dreamforce this week and just been who you've seen in the San Francisco area?
Well, I think that we can listen to what Lisa Su has to say from AMD. What she told me was, look, NVIDIA's unassailable lead, but there's room for two because there is so much business. The demand I just keep getting is more and more and more. And the big joke out here is that some people really do have Blackwell, and it's going to be Elon Musk or Mark Zuckerberg. Because remember, last week, Jensen Huang had just become very emotional. Who gets his chips? I've not seen anything like this, David. It's like they're scalping him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's bad. He's had to deal with scalping before. But yeah, most people just say that Jensen is AI. We're waiting for others to kind of join his orb, but nobody has. That stock collapsed last night. It collapsed. It went from 15 to 13 as if it was some sort of small cap. Margarine, a knife through margarine.
Oh, yeah, look at that. And now it's higher.
Yeah.
And obviously we've got an S&P. Carl, that's a new record, right?
On the S&P?
Yeah.
This is an all-time high. And I think probably for the Dow as well, right? About 42K.
The one to watch is Nvidia. That was up 3.5. Now it's up 5. There was nothing wrong with Nvidia. But except for the fact that the long knife's been out for it because people think that Jensen can't possibly maintain the strength.
So we're trying it. I have my eye on Nvidia. It's not yet made a higher, a higher high than the prior peak. So it's definitely still in this sideways mode. So I guess I'm going to reserve judgment as to whether this is, a change in character of this market that's been moving away from tech until we get a few more days of follow through.
Cathie Wood highlights Nvidia's dominant position in AI, with strong revenue growth potential, particularly through hardware and software integration. While Nvidia is valued highly, she emphasizes the broader opportunities in AI software, where companies like Tesla, Twilio, and Zoom are well-positioned to benefit. Tesla, with its autonomous taxi platform, represents the largest AI opportunity, and as it transitions to a SaaS model, its margins and growth potential are expected to rise significantly. Wood concludes by noting that while Nvidia leads in AI hardware, investors should also focus on AI-driven software companies. These firms are poised for growth as AI continues to transform industries, presenting significant investment opportunities beyond just hardware. Do you believe software companies in AI will eventually outpace hardware companies like Nvidia? How do you think Tesla's AI initiatives will impact its market position and growth potential?